Let's bring these methodologies to the SAP world. How should I follow these methodologies to do a SAP implementation project? In the past, to deliver the SAP ECC, usually to follow the ASAP. ASAP has the concept of the waterfall. You need to complete one task to start the other. Okay? The ASAP methodology was divided in 5 phases. The first one is what we call preparation. Preparation when partners and customers, they start to understand each other to come with a final solution. They divide the pipeline, they define the scope, they define how long it's going to take to do an implementation project. Once they define this process, they complete one task, they go to the second phase. The second phase is the business blueprint, the famous BBP. In the BBP, the consultants come in. They start to create a document that explains the as-is scenario. The as-is scenarios is how the company looks like now. What are the processes? They list all of them and describe how it works. Then, using the SAP, they should be able to provide the solution to be how my company will look like after the implementation project. Once they have all of the as-is and to be completed, they come with the requirements to accomplish that task. Then everything is properly settled and signed by the customer. It's a deliverable document, so it has a cost involved. Okay? All of the tasks are defined, they go in the realization phase. Configurations, process design, a lot of manual tasks and testing in that phase. Once they complete the realization, that they come do all of the configurations with the consultants, then it goes to the client. Okay? The fourth phase in the process is the final preparation, when the client comes in and starts to see the system, to do the test, the user acceptance testing, the famous UAT. But imagine, only in that phase that the customers start to understand how it is the system. Imagine if you need to go back and do any kind of change. A lot of tasks and a lot of time involved. That's the biggest constraint in the ASAP methodology, the change management. Okay? Once the UAT is approved, all of the requirements are properly validated by the client, then it's the go live. You turn on your system, you turn on the interfaces, all of the communication is happening in the real environment, in production. Then it comes the support where they keep the system live with all of the transactions happening in the real time. Okay? That's the ASAP methodology.